I'm Joseph Becker. I came to Voss Dental today to finish the transformation of my smile. I've been doing this process since January. It went really smooth. There was no pain. The surgeon was great. Doc was great. I'd highly recommend them to anybody. Look at my smile. I mean, it feels wonderful. I can't wait to show my wife and all my clients. I started having problems with my teeth about 5 years ago. And every year I was losing one or two teeth a year. I have a fear of dentists, and every year I'd have to come in and have to have a tooth pulled, and shots of Novocaine are really painful. Having the teeth pulled was really painful, and I talked with my wife and I came to them and I said, I want you to evaluate me and see what you think about pulling out all my teeth. And they said they could help me, and they did. They have a high standard of practice. They're very professional. They're very friendly. I felt like, and they did take care of me, and they made sure if I had a problem that they would fix it, and they did. So the whole process was really easy. Anytime I had a question, I called him, he answered it. He was very professional, very precise. He wouldn't settle for almost right. It had to be 100% perfect. You know, when I had the surgery, the surgeon gave me his phone number. He called me up 4 or 5 times. One of the places where they clotted my gums started leaking. I called him. He met me at the emergency room. No dentist has ever done that before. I'm really happy with these guys. I told you all before, I'm in the service industry, and I try to take care of all my clients, and nobody could have taken care of me better. It's the best dentist treatment I've ever had. I highly recommend it.